Hey guys, so it's been a minute since the last time you saw me, like 3 months. As you can tell, a lot has changed to my face. I dyed my hair, and it was in October of last year. Got my nose pierced recently with my sister for her birthday, and I got braces. And then I'm getting my nails done like a girly girl, and that's not like me. So yeah, for this video, it's gonna be basically the most simplest video because I have nothing I want to record. And by the way, this ring light that I got this for Christmas. Love it. Thank you to my man for getting it for me because he know how much I love YouTube and I want to get into being a content creator. So let's get into this video. I'm assuming. Okay, so brace yourself. I'm gonna show you my bag. Don't judge me, but this is my current bag. It's this Michael Kors bag. I got it for myself last year around my birthday because I turned a mom the year after, but the year before in 2021. So I got me a mom bag. As you can tell, it's very stuffed. Okay, we're gonna go through all of this and I will show you what all I stuff in this purse. I currently have like so many bags in my car. My work bag, I'm gonna show you it. So this is my work bag. It says Black History Month, Mind, Body, and Soul. I got this in 2021, I believe, and I wore this so much. Like, it's to the point where this is hiding a whole bunch of like stuff inside of it. So yeah, I just dumped all the stuff I had out of it, but I kind of want another one. Like, this is Black History, you know what I mean? Like, but yeah, let's get into my bag. Thumbnail.